Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Sami Mohammed Rosli and my student ID is 2024 800 256. Today I will present my CSC508 Assignment 1 project titled Pharmacy Stock Management System. This system is developed using Java programming language and focuses on implementing two important data structures, which are array list and linked list. The system is capable of adding medicine, deleting, searching, displaying medicine records, calculating sum and average prices, finding minimum and maximum prices, and also copying or moving data between array list and linked list. Now I will explain the program structure and how each class functions in the system. First, I will explain the item class. The item class is concrete class that represent one medicine object in the pharmacy inventory system. Inside this class, I declare 6 private attributes here. These attributes store all important information about the medicine. Next, I create two constructors. The first one is a default constructor, which can initialize all attributes with default values such as empty strings and zero values. And the second constructor is a parameterized constructor here. This constructor allows the user to create objects with actual values directly. Next, I also put a getter and a setter method here. Getter method I use to retrieve data, while setter method I use to update data. And finally, I use override the toString method. This method formats medicine information into a readable output. So whenever the object is displayed, the program automatically prints here. So next, I will explain the my array list class. This is a custom implementation of array list using object array. Inside this class, I declare a data store the object, length store the current number of elements, and max size store the maximum capacity. In the constructor, the program creates an array with a fixed size. And now I will explain the important methods. Now, the first method is insert n. This method inserts a new object at the point of array. The program checks whether the array list is full before inserting, and if it is full, the system throws array list exception. Next is insert front, which this method inserts an object at the beginning of array. Then we have add method here. These insert data are specific index, which the program shifts existing elements to the right before inserting a new data. Next, we also add a get data. This method retrieves data from specific index. And next, we also have remove at, which this method removes data at a specific index and shifts remaining element to left. The class also contains a remove first and remove last, which this method simplifies deletion operation. I also include validation checking such as array list full, invalid index, and a empty list. This improves system reliability and prevent runtime error. Now I will explain the my linked list class. This class implements the custom linked list data structure. The linked list uses a node object inside the node class. I declare object data to data store the object, and next store the reference to the next node. In my linked list class, I declare here head points to the first node, tail points to the last node, current is used during traversing, and length store total nodes. Now I will explain important methods here. Here we got insert back methods, which adds a node at the end. The insert at front method insert a node at the beginning. Remove first method remove the first node, and get first method remove the first node, and the get next method I use for traversal itself to make a loop. I also create remove item by name. This method search a medicine by name and remove it from linked list. And last but not least, the display method display all nodes inside the linked list. Next are the custom exception classes. I create array list exception and empty list exception. These classes extend runtime exception, and this exception also improve error handling. For example, if the array is full, or if the list is empty, or even if the index is invalid, the so-called system will display meaningful error messages instead of crashing out. Now I will explain the main application class, which is inventory app. Inside this class, I create the system, use array list as a storage, and linked list for copy and move operation. So when the program starts, the preload data methods automatically insert 8 medicine records. This saves time during testing. And next, the program display menu using J option pane. So the user selects function using number from 0 until 9. Now I will explain each menu function. So the first function is the add medicine. The add item methods allow the user to enter medicine ID, medicine name, category, price, quantity, and also supplier. Then the system creates a new item object and insert it into a release. And finally, the system displays medicine add successfully. The second function is delete medicine, which this delete item method removes medicine by name. The program loops through all a release using this looping, and then compare medicine names using equals is ignore case, and if it is found, a release dot remove and automatically the medicine is deleted successfully. The second function is a search medicine. This allows partial searching, which, for example, if we searching para, we can still find it. If we searching para, we can find paracetamol, yes, because it contains them. The next function is display release, which this function display all medicine stored in a release itself. The system through loops all of the object and calls to string to display formatted output. The next one is display release. This function traverses linked list using that first and that next until all nodes are displayed. The next one is sum and average. The sum and average method calculates total medicine prices and average prices. The program loops through all the medicine and adds all prices together. And the next one is mean, minimum, and maximum calculation, which this method finds the cheapest medicine and also finds the most expensive medicine. The program compares each medicine prices one by one. So the next one is copy a release to linked list, which this function copies all medicine object into linked list. The original data inside a release still remains, so this is called copy operation. And this next function is called move release to linked list. This function transfer all object from a release into linked list, which the program repeatedly remove object using a release.remove first, and after removing, the linked list contains all data. A release becomes empty, and this is what we call it as a move operation. So let's move to the output demonstration. So as you can see here, I already insert the data on my coding here. So as you can see here, the 8 medicine already preloaded into the release. So let's move to the main menu. What if we add the medicine which we put number 1? Let's say if our medicine is this ID with the vitamin C. Category we put it as a supplement. Price, I think it's quite cheap value. The quantity we have on our store like 300. Supplier from operation, and medicine add successfully. So let's search that medicine which we gonna put 3. Add medicine name usage, maybe 5 now. I don't want to put full name. You see, yes, and it is actually have inside this. So let's delete the medicine here. So we need to search delete successfully, and we search only have this one. So let's display all the release. This is all my preloaded data. So let's take a look on file which is empty. We don't have any data in release yet. And then let's see the sum and average. So our total medicine is 8. Sum prices are 56 ringgit 10 cents, and average price are 7 ringgit and 1 cent. So let's take a look on minimum and maximum. The cheapest one was a paracetamol, and the most expensive one was a omeprazole. So how about we copy the data from a release to a linked list, which we can do here. It's already copied, and let's take a look on our linked list. And there we go. All the data are already copied here. So let's make another one, but using move. So what if we move a release to linked list? So the release is now empty, as you can see here. It's empty. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye.